Hey, what's happening? This is Vape and Juice TV. Now, I know a lot of people care about vape and battery safety. Why the hell wouldn't you? Because it's an important thing, particularly things like Ohm's Law, looking after your vape kit so it looks after you. We've got two of our best guys, Rob and Mark, going to come down and going to talk to you all about the ins and outs. Make it super simple for you to understand how best to use your battery, your coils, your tanks, how to look after them, and what even is Ohm's Law. You'll find out. And when that comes to the end, you're not going anywhere yet. You're going to watch the top 5 best high VG e-juices as voted by customers in our stores. You can find out what liquid to put with your super safe vape kit.
Guess what time it is now, Mark?
Battery safety time, Rob.
That's it.
So we're going to have a chat about battery safety now. Obviously a lot of people don't understand the importance of your wrap and your white insulator on top of the battery. That is basically stopping you connecting a minus and a plus together at the top of the battery, especially when you're inserting your battery into the mod.
What does that minus and plus equal?
Half a plus.
Half a plus, yeah.
Half a plus. Yeah, I don't know if you could Google this and you could go online and you could see what happens to a venting battery. It's not very pleasant. So battery safety is key. So always make sure, as Rob will demonstrate, you have your white insulator on the top of the battery and you have no tears in your battery whatsoever. As we can see, this one has been brought in by a customer and been swapped over. That is a very dodgy battery. And what you can do is buy wraps for your battery online, and it's a very easy process of using a hairdryer and shrinking them back down into the battery.
We do that in here as well, Mark.
We do that in here as well, Rob. Thank you for telling me that. So yeah, if you want to bring your batteries in, if they do get to that state, we will rewrap them for you. Even silly little nicks like this one, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but this has got a tiny nick on it. That still has the option to connect to the side of your mod, in turn connecting both together. And a short circuit is not what you want from a high amp battery. Anything you'd like to say, Rob, on this?
No, that's it. Thank you, Mark.
Because you've got a lot of dodgy batteries, haven't you, Rob?
Well, I've got any.
Maybe you should bring them in here, Rob, and get them rewrapped.
Well, by Ashley?
Yes.
Behind the camera?
Ash will do it, because he's hiding behind the camera over there, but Ashley will very happily rewrap your batteries for you.
So, Mark, what happens if these batteries are in your mod?
So the chip will not let the mod fire if there's anything wrong with the battery or there's a short circuit, unless you're using a mechanical mod. What? But a mechanical mod works with no safety protections on it whatsoever. So if that battery is to connect both sides, there will be nothing to stop it. Now most vapers do use regulated mods, so there's nothing to worry about. Because this mod, for example, would not let me fire if there was any problems. But still, if you do get any rips in your wraps, feel free to bring them into a Vape and Juice. We will rewrap them for you, and you'll have nice fresh batteries.
Okay, so you know your A to Z, your 101 of all your safety stuff when it comes to vape and batteries. Don't go anywhere. You're going to hit that button here to watch the best high VG e-liquids. See you over there.